Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to add Amazon affiliate link to Instagram story. So if you also want to add Amazon affiliate link to Instagram story, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Amazon application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. So if you add the Amazon affiliate link to your Instagram story, you'll be able to make the money off the click from your followers. But it's important to note that you need to be registered to Amazon Associates, which is the Amazon affiliate program. Then you need to be logged into the same account. Right now, I'm not registered to Amazon Associates, but the process is pretty similar. First of all, what you have to do is tap on the product that you want to promote. Now you can see over here that particular product will open up. Now over here you'll be able to find the share icon. All you have to do is tap on it. If you have the account for Amazon Associate, you'll be able to find the option for copy affiliate link. All you have to do is tap on it. Right now I'm just going to copy the general link. So I'm just tapping on the copy option that you can see right over here. Now the link has been copied. Now what you have to do is go to the Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now you can see over here Instagram has been opened. At top you'll be able to find the stories. At first you'll be able to find the option for your story. All you have to do is tap on it. Now what you have to do is upload the photo that you want to add to the story. Simply tap on that photo. After that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now if you look at top you'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is tap on the sticker icon that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to add the location, you'll be able to mention, you'll be able to add the music, photo, GIF, etc. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for link. Once you find the option for link, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to paste the link over here. What you have to do is paste the link that we copied earlier. Now after you paste the link, all you have to do is tap on the done option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, the link has been added. Now all you have to do is tap on the option your story that you can see right over here at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your story has been added. Now when someone clicks on this link, you'll be able to make the money out of it. So that's how you add Amazon affiliate link on Instagram story. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.